What up, y'all? It's time to open some more mail. So, before that, I should probably mention that this package should have arrived last week, and it took freaking 6 days to get. So, I ordered it from Romania, from the same country, and it should have taken maybe 2 days at most to get to my place, which is 300 miles or 500 kilometers, about 500 kilometers far from here. And it took 6 days, which is intolerable, unacceptable. But anyway, probably I could compare it to Amazon. So if I order from Amazon Germany or from Amazon UK, the same package arrives in about 2 days. So 2 freaking days. It gets from like maybe 2,000 or 2,000 something kilometers, which is the distance from here to the UK. It gets in 2 days, but we're talking about Amazon, which is probably gonna be a monopoly because I don't know, they're big. But anyway, I could also compare it to one of the best companies in my country, which let's say if I would have placed the same order today by 3 p.m. The same package from the same distance would have arrived in probably by tomorrow, by noon tomorrow. So I don't know. I guess the producers, those who, or the merchants, would most likely, if they don't want to lose clients, they most likely are gonna probably switch these delivery companies, because this is unacceptable. I mean, a freaking package to travel so little distance in so much time with so much of a delay is unacceptable. But anyway, I digress. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you a couple of not foods but supplements that I ordered. So let's see. And I also got a bonus, which I'm not really sure that I'm going to want, but we'll see. So the first thing that I have is this magnesium bisglycinate. So I got this because it's really cheap compared to the one that I've been using so far. So this is not the first time I'm trying magnesium. I guess this BioVia is a local company or a European company. So this is not the first time I'm trying magnesium bisglycinate. But since this is cheaper and it's kind of the same formulation, or I should say it's a better formulation, because this is, let me see, this is, so 3 capsules contain about 200 milligrams of magnesium, and this has 30 servings, so 90 capsules. So 200 milligrams of magnesium bisglycinate. I'm not sure if you can hear the noise, but I guess, or I hope you can hear me well. So yeah, magnesium bisglycinate. I may make a video specific, or in which I specifically talk about it. So next we have l-theanine, also a new company. So this is 1 capsule. So 1 capsule contains 200 milligrams of l-theanine, and it contains 60 capsules. So if I would take 2 a day, it will last 1 month. I've talked about l-theanine in another video, and I'm currently using l-theanine powdered form, and I have like 400 to 500 milligrams a day, but it's not very convenient to carry. So if you're traveling, it's really not convenient to carry the powder with you, which is why I got these capsule forms. Of course, the powder is much more cheaper if we would compare. So 60 capsules, 200 milligrams each. This is 12 grams for maybe, I would say, $15, and I got 100 grams powdered form for $26. So that's 8 times as much for just a little bit, for just a couple of more bucks. But anyway, l-theanine, Okay, so next is R-alpha lipoic acid, so RALA. I still have some remainings from the last supply. This is 150 milligrams, 60 capsules of R-alpha lipoic acid. So I've talked about R-alpha lipoic acid and why it is the highest bioavailable form of alpha lipoic acid in a previous video, so you might want to check that out if you're interested in knowing more about it. This powerful antioxidant, which can also help with may also help with blood sugar regulation, but I don't take it necessarily, or I should say maybe I take it for two purposes. One is for blood sugar regulation, so for better blood sugar control, and the second reason I take it is for brain health. Okay, let's see. So 3 to go, three off, 1 more to go. This is something new. This is magnesium citrate, so in powdered form, but this is kind of a different powder form. I had taken magnesium citrate in powder form, but the taste isn't quite, how should I put it, like tasty. So it is not very palatable, which is why I thought I would kind of sacrifice quality for taste. So it is just a small trade-off. So this is not the pure form, because magnesium citrate contains only magnesium citrate, so but it's not very tasty. So that's why I took magnesium citrate, which this is a fresh orange, so it should taste, in theory, it should have an orange taste, but we'll see. Maybe maybe I'll do a taste test later when I kind of open it. So let's see the ingredients. It says magnesium salts of citric acid, 40% acidifying agent, citric acid and malic acid, inulin, sodium bicarbonate, so nothing too bad too far. Flavor, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Sweeteners, acesulfame K, which this would be a maybe an unwanted ingredient, and also sucralose. And it also contains pyridoxine hydrochloride, which is vitamin B6 if I'm not wrong. So this contains vitamin C, about 100% vitamin C. It contains B6 per portion, which is 4 grams. And it also contains 250 milligrams of magnesium. So B6 100%, magnesium 67%, and vitamin C 100% per portion. So we'll see. I'm really curious about this. Okay, now the last thing, and this is the extra that I got with. So I didn't actually. This was a bonus. Let me just see if I can unpack it. Okay, so if you don't know this is a pill box. So if I would say, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so you could kind of spread or divide, or the same way you do meal prep, you could do pill prep. But I don't want to get into that situation in which I would do pill prep for 1 week. But anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found it useful, and also please hit the subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And I don't know, let's talk in the comment section. Tell me your opinion about this stuff. Tell me if there are any of these supplements that you yourself have experimented with. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.